Are you frustrated because your Telegram wallet is showing up an unsupported region error? You're not alone. This issue can be a real headache, but today I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to fix it quickly and easily. Let's dive in. Step 1. Update your Telegram app. First things first, ensure that your Telegram app is up to date. Head over to the Google Play Store or the App Store and check for any available updates. Keeping your app updated is crucial for accessing all its features smoothly. Step 2. Download a VPN. Next, we need to bypass those pesky regional restrictions. Download Thunder VPN from the Play Store. Don't worry, you don't need the premium version of this for the fix. Once installed, open up the app and connect to a server in the UK or any other supported country. This will help mask your actual location. Step 3. Access your Telegram wallet. Now that your VPN is connected, go back to your Telegram app and try opening a wallet again. With your new virtual location set, you should be able to access it without any issues. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, updating your app using a VPN and reconnecting, you can easily resolve the unsupported region error on Telegram wallet. If this tutorial helped you out, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.